Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tiana. If you're new here, welcome. So today is going to be an eyeshadow look, okay? So I just got this palette for Christmas. It's by Colorpop. Guys, like, I was sleeping on Colourpop's colors. Y'all, like, I swatch it and I'm like, yo, like, gorgeous. So today I'm gonna be doing an eyeshadow look. I ain't wasting no time. I did it before, but I wanted to see how it turned out before I filmed it. So we're gonna get right into it. Alright, so the first color I'm gonna go in is the West Side. It's like a brown transition shade almost. And I'm just gonna go over like that. Just back and forth motions. Tapping the excess eyeshadow. Same thing with the other side. Shade. I'm gonna go in with the should I do a peach orangey crease or should I do a brown? Think between this and this color. Decisions. I'm gonna go with the peach orangey color, which is the color Ice Me. Ice Me. I love when eyeshadows have like kind of like sexy names. So, ooh. And the palette is actually called Sweet Talk, so it makes sense. But yes, I'm going to go in the crease. Let's try it again. I feel like it's coming together. Oh no. Alright guys, so I decided to switch brushes. I'm still going in with that same orange peachy color, Ice Me. I'm still fairly new to eyeshadows, so please excuse me. But I just feel like I don't have a wide variety of eyeshadow brushes, so I can actually apply the correct way. Like this, I feel like it's for transition colors, something a little bit smaller than this, but with the same density and thickness will be good for like a crease. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, it's okay. The more you do eyeshadows, the more you'll understand where I'm coming from. And experienced makeup users, you know what I'm talking about. Like, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, we're just going in with that peachy orangey color. This is low-key still my transition shade. This is like an over layer of my transition shade. So yes, we're going in and we're swiping back and forth. Okay, it's coming together, yes! Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the crease color. So we get this peachy orangey look going on, coral. I'm just gonna deepen the crease a little bit with this color called Feel Free. This is the darkest color on this palette. Y'all know what I'm talking about, that one. And I'm gonna go in, tap the excess. No, I got some on my leggings. It's alright. And just go. When your eyeshadow come together. Look at my face right now, like. only when doing makeup. Only when doing makeup, like why? Alright guys, so we're gonna get into the fun part. The lid colors be like the best part. I'm debating between this lid color and this lid color. The coral one is like boom out there, but the this one is out there, but it's not. Like, I don't know, decisions. Look at that coral though. Look at that coral. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try the melody, the color melody, the less harsh one. I'm gonna see how that goes. Because that's a really pretty color too. Ooh, guys. Oh my god. Let's pack the shit out of that. Oh. Okay. Look at that coral though. I think I might go in with coral. This color. I keep calling it coral. It's not coral. It's called Garden Date. But I feel like I want to incorporate that somewhere in my eyeshadow look. I don't know. This is very pigmented, so I have to be careful. Oh my god. I don't want to mess it up. Fuck it. Oh yeah, so I packed that lid color on. So I have Garden Date and Melody. I couldn't decide, so I did both. And it's turned out pretty good. Like, I'm just going back in with the crease color because it kind of washed out after I put the lid color. And this is why you put your eyeshadow on before you put your foundation on. Because all this I would have to wipe off. I freaking love this color. And it's like, it comes on so smooth. Like, oh my god. It's like a miracle. And I die for like shimmery colors. This one is like super shimmery. This is definitely like New Year's vibes. It's giving New Year's vibes. No. Let me tell you what's giving New Year's vibes. This one right here. That is so pigmented. It's like, where are you going with this? I'm sorry. But yeah, I think this is it for the eyeshadow, guys. I love eyeshadow. I'm gonna come back on camera and do my foundation. I currently do not have any lashes or eyeliner, which will probably make the look a lot more, just stand out. I'll probably just end up putting some soft like lashes and calling it a day, honestly. But sorry, I had a brain fart. Hey guys, right, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna come back, so I wanted to do a little outro. This is the final eyeshadow look. It came out super pretty. I love the shades on this palette. This is 100% like, it's cheap, it's affordable, it's pigmented, the colors are beautiful, and I don't have anything bad to say about this palette, honestly. I am gonna put some lashes on to just to bring out my lashes because it kind of hides them. I want to put mascara, but I feel like it's a lash type of eyeshadow, like a soft, slanted lash. Those are my favorite lashes. Anyway, I'm doing too much. I'm gonna go to Ulta right quick, get some lashes. I'll probably insert some pictures because soon I have to get ready for work. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched this far, give me a like, thumbs up, please subscribe. Thank you for all the support that I've gotten. Thank you for your comments. Everybody who's commenting and liking and subscribing, it really means a lot to me. I appreciate every single like, comment, and subscribe. You don't even understand how much I do. And it gives me motivation to make more videos. So thank you so much for that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.